So guys, these are the new Skullcandy Crusher wireless headphones. I bought these headphones for $149, but they originally cost $199. So right now Skullcandy has put almost each and every one of their headphones on a big sale. And this sale you can find in each and every store, from Walmart to Best Buy, almost every store. So back to the headphones. So the tagline here says that bass you can feel, which means that these headphones pack a punch of bass, which I really love. And if you can see down here, it says up to 40 hours of battery life, which I think so that you'll get right from reading it. So let's go on and turn these to its back. So again, Bluetooth connectivity and up to 40 hours of rechargeable battery life lets you enjoy days of wireless freedom. And over here, adjustable stereo haptic drivers deliver powerful immersive bass which you can feel. So this image shows how they look. This one shows like the bass, which you can control the bass from here, and this one here shows how the headphones can be folded. So now let's move on and open the box up. So let's move on and open the box. So I would be using my blade and not my scissors this time. Okay, so I should be opening them right from here. Perfect cut this time, hoping nothing would get damaged. It's inside the box. I'll get back to you. So now I remove the plastic, as it would take a lot of time because I am not good with cutting skills. Let's move on and open the box up. So I would probably do this again. So, and bang. Oops, not a good start. So let's first see which thing is falling down. So it says quick start guide. Oh, one more things. First let's open this up. Okay, so it's just like a guide for how to start this. Let's go on and keep this thing side. Okay, accessories. Yes, probably this thing would contain the auxiliary cables. There we go. Oh, and the charging port. So this thing is as a mic, and like this thing goes into the headphone and this thing into the phone. So this is like an auxiliary mic, so like if your headphones battery is down, you can use this to listen to music. Let's keep this aside. So it came again with a rechargeable cable, the cable that charges it simply. So let's go on and keep this aside too. So what this here means is like the Bluetooth, press and hold. Okay, so these are like the instructions about how to start it. So let's get back to this later on. Okay, so getting the headphones out. Let's keep the case aside. So here the headphones come with a case, which is really good. Let's go on and open them up too. Ooh, amazing, man. These are amazing, really smooth. So here it tells you right ear, left ear. Pretty strong. Okay, so as I was saying before, this is the bass control. So this is a max bass, minimum bass. So using this is like the volume controls, and when you press this middle button, it starts Siri or Google Assistant, whatever is in your phone. So let's get the aux cable. So here is the aux cable. So this goes into your phone, and this one, the red one, goes into your into the headphone. So under the left cup, you will see that there are two ports. One is the aux port, and the other one is a chargeable. So you put this, plug this in, and this goes into your phone. Simple as easy. And again, the same with charging. So let's go on and keep this aside. This too. So let's go on and start them. So guys, we are back to here now. So now this is a place where you probably need these 3 instructions. So it's telling us to hold this button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. So it just power on. So we should be getting it somewhere around here. Okay. So guys, after a lot of time I had to contact Skullcandy because there was some issue with my phone. But now they are connected. So you know guys, let's max up the bass and the volume too. Okay. Max it out and let's play some song. And that's at max bass. And if you like wear these headphones, you'll feel the bass. You will literally feel them shaking. So that's a really good part. Oh yeah, one part about this, guys. That these fold out. This is how they look. Pretty amazing, right? And this is its case. They just pop them in. It has cushioning inside, which is really amazing. And you're good to go. See guys, that is why I bought these. A definite good buy for $150. If you want to buy, you should probably buy them as soon as possible. Amazing headphones, amazing fit, amazing cushioning, amazing bass. It does say bass you can feel. So guys, that is it for today's video. This is Tech Wizard signing off, and peace.